Here's how the new corporate tax enhancements in RCT Spring 2020 maximize efficiency, reduce errors, and guarantee accuracy. The pre-validation option in the e-file page helps you detect inconsistencies between your records and the CRA's records. You can also directly navigate to the location of any missing or incorrect information to fix it. Here the business number is missing and the entity name is incorrect. Pre-validation significantly reduces the number of resubmissions since you can catch errors early on in the engagement. The new search option helps you efficiently locate tax forms or worksheets for research or advanced tax planning purposes. As you enter the search keyword, matching results will display in the suggestion list. You can also directly access forms or worksheets, as well as make the hidden ones visible to include them in your engagement. Transactions now display in the Meals and Entertainment Expenses worksheet, so you can review each transaction and assign the best tax treatment for each line. You can also jump to the Transactions page to view the source journal entry details. This spring, the way you do corporate tax engagements in Caseware RCT is about to change. And have your say. Vote on your favorite Caseware features from the What's New page. Thanks for watching.